We have to find the sum of two polynomials. First polynomial is 5x squared minus 3x plus 1, and the second is 4x squared plus 5x minus 10. So let me copy these two polynomials. First is 5x squared minus 3x plus 1. We have to add these two polynomials. So first plus the second. Because we have addition, I don't have to put in parentheses the second polynomials. Only copy because positive sign doesn't change anything. So we have 4x squared plus 5x minus 10. So this is equal. Now we have to combine the like terms. We have 5x squared and 4x squared. We have negative 3x and positive 5x. And we have 1 and negative 10. 5x squared plus 4x squared is 9x squared. Negative 3x plus 5x. So we copy sign of number which is greater. 5 is greater than 3, so it will be positive sign. And 5 minus 3 is 2. And x we have to rewrite. And now 1 minus 10 is negative 9. So this is my solution.